Do you want to put up a vegetable garden like this, but you're afraid the deer are going to eat everything you plant? Today, the Everyday Man's going to show you a deer fence you can put up. It's only going to cost 20 bucks, guaranteed to keep the deer out. So the first step is to get these really, really lightweight poles. We're going to put one of these in the ground in each corner of the garden. All right, so kind of like that. You can see how easy this is going in. All right, I'm gonna go around and then we're gonna do the next step. And now for the fencing. This is the part that's gonna surprise you, I think. It's called monofilament line. I call it fishing string. I buy the least expensive one there is. This particular one is 250 yard, 30-pound test. Is small enough that you can't hardly see it, but it's very, very strong. Either their head, their chest, their legs are gonna touch the string. They're gonna feel it, not know what it is. They're gonna back up and run away. So let's see how we hook this up. We're gonna start down at the end one and wrap all the way around, and then go back, raise it up, do it again. For starters, what I want to do is show you how I'm tying the knot. So here's the way I'm doing it. So I'm going to go around this twice. Then I'm going to rotate this 4 or 5 times. Okay? Like that. Now I take the end and stick it through this loop. When you start pulling it, it's all going to tighten up. The fence is up. Probably took me 15 minutes total. You can do it too, it's easy. I got 3 lines, top, middle, and bottom down here. And I'll bet you're hard pressed to see them. So this project's done. And it's the Everyday Man saying, as usual, thank you very much for watching. And we'll see you next time.